We had a wonderful week in Ikaria with Diane and her cooking team. Diane welcomed us into her home and had a very approachable way of introducing Greek cooking.
The recipes that we learned here are things that we will do our best and I think hopefully successfully translate to our lives at home. And it's just been such an eye-opening experience in many different spheres, from the approachability of Greek cooking to thoughts on ways to have a more longevity seeking lifestyle.
Yes. Yeah, there was a lot of focus on Greek culture and Greek history, and our field trips were fabulous. The team was wonderful, and the setting was just gorgeous. We were greeted with freshly picked herbs from teas in the morning, and the freshness of the ingredients was just astonishing. We loved it.
Yes, a wonderful trip for people of all ages,
Yes.
families of all types, couples from all walks of life.
Yes, from all countries. We had extended family here from people in their 20s through their 60s. There were 7 of us, and it was just a very bonding, wonderful experience for us. We'll never forget it.